Hi everyone, my name is Lily. I apologize in advance for the inconvenience. This is my second presentation. Some reason it didn't come out last night. I published it, but it wasn't enough visible. I hope this time it's gonna work well. So I try to maximize the text, so I hope it's gonna work well. So today I'm gonna talk about marketing management, evaluation and control. It's in our textbook chapter 20. The question I chose is number 4. Assume that you have been hired as a consultant by a hospitality and travel organization to improve the effectiveness of its marketing effort. Explain the procedure you will recommend for using the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system. Make a specific suggestion on how the organization should control and evaluate marketing. Describe the benefits the organization can expect from implementing your recommendation. The key point is I'm going to go over with going to be marketing in the hospitality and travel industry, hospitality and travel marketing system, and the 5-step, marketing control and marketing evaluation, benefits of marketing evaluation control, and benefits of consultant in the marketing. I'm going to start with marketing. Marketing has, as we all know, marketing has a huge impact in the business industry. My personal belief, there's nothing can be success without marketing when it comes to business. So I'm going to go over the definition, the importance of marketing in the hospitality and travel industry, the role of marketing and type of marketing. Marketing is the action or business of promoting and selling products or service, including market research and advertising. It is the process of getting company's product or service out to consumer. Why marketing is important in the industry? The reason why is because marketing strategy play a key role in building a brand, attract new customers, and maintaining loyalty. It helps develop products and service in the industry that meet the need of its target market. It helps the customer to understand why the product and service is better than or different from the competition. There's a lot of company provide the same service, so marketing can help even the customer which company need to go with. The role of marketing is, marketing play a big role in the business industry, as I said earlier. It establish relationship between customer and organization to the market, ensures the brand awareness exists, recognize what factor make customers choose a specific hospitality service. There are type of marketing planning, short-term and long-term. Short-term marketing planning is a 2 years or less plan, while long-term is a 3 to 5 years or more. I'm gonna move to hospitality and travel marketing system. There are 5-step hospitality and marketing systems, so I'm gonna cover that. Also, the benefit of using hospitality and travel marketing system. As well, I'm sorry. I'm trying to catch, and the fundamental of hospitality and marketing system as well. There are 5 steps: hospitality and travel marketing system, planning and research, analysis and strategy, implementation, control, and evaluation. The fundamentals of hospitality and travel marketing systems are strategic marketing planning, marketing orientation, service marketing different, understand customer behavior. Benefits are priority on planning, results in a logical flow of effort, create a better balance of marketing activity. Next, explain the procedure you would recommend for using the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system. As a consultant, I would recommend the company identify the marketing problem, and lists the possible solution. Define the purpose of marketing research, analyze the strengths and weaknesses of your competition, and list your marketing goal. We always need to have a goal when we plan marketing that we know we can evaluate whether we reach the goal or not. So that's very important. List your targeting markets, know your customer expectation, set a goal to reach your object, and eliminate ineffective strategy. Examine whether the planned results are being achieved, and check for changing in sale. Like I mentioned in my previous presentation, it's very important to check changing in sale, because at the end of the day, all the company work hard to increase their sale and get more profit. So that is something I would recommend to focus on, whether the marketing planning is work or not, or if there is anything need to be work on, need to be add, or need to be changed. I mean, if there is any strategy need to be changed, I should say. Thank you. Next, market control and market evaluation. Market control is the process of monitoring the proceed plan as the proposed plans as they proceed and adjusting where necessary. Marketing evaluation is the process of determining the effectiveness of a given strategy in achieving the organization objectives and taking corrective action whenever required. Make specific suggestions on how the organization should control and evaluate marketing. I would suggest that the company do annual plan control to ensure company achieves sales, profits, and other goals in annual plan. Profitable control, measure profitability of product, target segments, and more. Efficiency control, it improves efficiency of marketing, advertising, sales, promotion, and more. Strategic control, reassess its strategy with a good marketing audit. So this is the basic type of control the company need to add on their marketing plan. The next one, the next and the last question is, describe the benefits the organization can expect from implementing your recommendation. I think the benefit that the organization will gain from implementing recommended marketing strategy would be that improving and enhancing brand awareness, educating customers and prospects about product benefits, and raising its sales and profits. The next one will be why we need to use consultant in the hospitality and travel industry, or what's the benefit of consultant in the marketing. I mean, why we need consultant when we plan marketing. Consultant is a person who provide expert advice, professional who provide expert advice professionally in a particular area, such as marketing, financing, management, anything has related with a business. So I think it's very important hiring consultant when we plan marketing, because the company may not know everything what the customer need or what the customer looking. So professional consultant gonna help to address all this area. Qualification would be a minimum of a bachelor degree with a major in accounting, business, financing, marketing, hotel, restaurant management, or a similar area. Of course, everybody cannot be consultant, especially in a big industry like hospitality and event industry. There is a high competition out there. So consultant has to be a person who has a great background, know about the industry, have experience, and work on or play a role with the competition to bring the business to the company. Someone who have a knowledge about the industry, like I said, and who have relevant experience in the hospitality and travel industry. The primary role of consultant in the business industry, as well as hospitality and travel industry, is assist the organization with certain area of its inclusive works, achieving customer satisfaction and customer loyalty, raising the level of organizational performance and achievement, enlarge the company customer base and market segment. So again, hospitality industry is a huge business industry. There is a lot of competition. So it is important the consultant have enough knowledge to bring the business to the company. I list some reference here that you guys can. Again, I'm over time this time too. I just want to say quick this. I have some list link below here. I attach it that you guys can go and get more information. Thank you so much for watching my presentation, and in advance, thank you so much for your comment. And it was great to spend this semester with you all. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Thanks.